most people that do a build for rent project have total ownership of the project itself. You are Sally, the investor. You built a duplex in your town in Iowa, right? You own that was your build for rent deal. On the opposite end of that spectrum, the national builder Taylor Morrison has launched this company called Christopher Todd Communities, who is kind of the flagship of build for rent, and they do really nice communities in the Phoenix area. I think they're expanding out of Phoenix. We'll have to check on that because that's something worth following. But they do nice single family detached developments, right? Where somebody feels like they live in a home, but they are renting a place. And it's this kind of bridge between renting from a single family landlord and living in a Class A apartment complex. It's this hybrid. So that's the other, is that Christopher Todd Communities is the owner of the entire community. So what we've done typically in our day job, Fourplex Investment Group, is different. We build and develop this, and we sell the entire community off as like 30 different fourplexes that doctors and lawyers and dentists all come in and they own directly. That's different than if you invested in a Christopher Todd community, right? Because you don't get to decide when to sell. But if you own a fourplex, you do. So the only way to maintain control over a build for rent community that has fractionalized ownership like that is through a homeowners association, which is usually a dirty word in the ma and pa investor world. But in a homeowners association, like Sherida said, you own the unit, you own the ground under it, you own above in the air, you can sell it whenever you want to, you can encumber it, you can do all those kinds of things. Investing in a syndication, no, you're at the mercy of the sponsor, of the general partners. They are deciding according to their PPM what they're going to do with this investment, and you have to abide by those rules. You can squawk and say, I want to sell, I want my shares out. Maybe they'll indulge you, but they don't necessarily have to.